Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to customize goal in Carl AI. So to customize your goal, the first thing to do is your first step is to open the Carl AI app. Then step 2, tap your profile icon or the settings, which is the gear icon, usually found in the top right of the screen. Then on the step 3, you have to tap on goals or calorie target. Then on the step 4, choose your goal. So from the list, choose lose weight, maintain weight, or gain muscles. Then on step 5, adjust your daily calories, so if allowed. So some version let you type in your own numbers, but if you don't, just move on. Then on step 6, which is very optional, you can also adjust your macros, which is your protein, your carbs, and fat. This is only available if your version supports it. Then on step 7, tap save and confirm. And that's how you can easily customize your goal in Carl AI. Go find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.